What's up, man? Again, TGMG. What's up? It's the move, it's the gang, it's the family. Y'all already know it's your boy. Hey, man. So, today gonna be a real lit video, man. Today gonna be a real lit video. And I say today gonna be a real lit video because today is gonna be the day that we're finishing the mini bike build. So I don't even think I even started to show you guys the mini bike build or anything, but I do have some videos and stuff that I did start recording and stuff of the old footage of the mini bike and stuff. So, you know, we're gonna get everything situated and posted into this video. But yeah, man, so we've been going through motor after motor, man, and you know, just problem after problem, man. I got kind of frustrated with it, you know, and I was like, at first, one point I was like, to hell with it. You know, and I didn't want to work on it no more. But, you know, as I said to myself, I was like, man, I'm going to go buy me another engine, man. Buy me a bigger one, stronger one, something I could put a little bit more, you know, torque into, you know. But, yeah, man, so we got that new motor for that thing, man. But we ain't going to tell y'all what it is, man. And this video will be kind of long, man. So I am going to break this video up into 2 parts. So y'all have to stay tuned to see the actual running video for the running bike and everything and the after results. So we're gonna get that thing sanded, painted, and everything. But like I said, if y'all want to be real, y'all want to be down, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man, and make sure you share. Make sure you let your mama know, your daddy know, your cousin know, and make sure you let your nephew know too. Hey, this is a channel for the family, man. But yeah, guys, so we almost pulling up to the crib, and we're gonna go ahead and get everything situated. Y'all stay tuned. And man, while we wait, man, y'all tell me how my barber did to me, man. Y'all let me know if he put me in the game when he ain't put me in the game, man. Y'all already know what it is, man. I ain't been getting cut. Went about almost 2 weeks without getting a haircut, man. I was like, what in the what? But I had to get a haircut, man. Gotta be to church Sunday this week. So this Sunday, so hey, had to look fresh. But like I said, man, we on the way to the crib, man. Y'all stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so yes, this is the bike. Don't mind the other project I got going on. I was riding and I got this one stuck up in the shaft, stuck up inside the shaft. So I gotta press this out to get that out, and yeah, that's a lot of fun. So right now, man, this is the one we're gonna be working on. I am in the house with it, in the living room. I'm gonna get this motor taken off. I'm gonna take this motor off, and then I'm gonna take it outside, and I'm gonna clean this frame up. I'm gonna sand this frame all down best as I can. It's really rough, this frame. It took a lot of damage and a lot of beating, so it's really rough, but I'm gonna try to take my time and sand it up and get it all cleaned up. first layer of primer going down on it. Yeah, first layer of primer going down on that. We sanded that baby down. Now we got her cleaned up and polished. Now we're going ahead and primed her. We're gonna hit her about 2 coats of primer. We're gonna hit about 2 coats of paint. Let's get it in gear.